Good morning, students. This is my third video of chapter 1, that is fundamentals of computer. Okay, in this you will know about the stories. Okay, so students, first of all you have to know what is stories. Storage means storing your data. Storing your data by two ways, either temporarily or permanently. So here I can divide my storage in two parts. One is the primary memory and another one is your secondary memory. So first I will discuss what is the primary memory. Data stored in primary memory is directly accessible by the CPU. Okay, this storage is relatively fast and expensive if I am comparing with the secondary storage device. So here the primary memory is directly connected to the CPU. That is why we say this primary memory as the main memory. Okay, so when I am talking about the primary memory, okay, then the primary memory is divided in two types. One is RAM and another one is ROM. So what is RAM? It is the primary volatile memory. That means its data get lost once the power supply is stopped. Okay, next one is your ROM. See students, it is generally used in startup operation of computer. It is your non-volatile memory, and if I'm talking about the ROM, then ROM can be classified in three ways. First one is your ROM. Next one is EEPROM. And the last one is double EEPROM. So you have to know what is a PROM. Okay, it is a programmable read-only memory. What is EEPROM? Yes, EEPROM is erasable, programmable, read-only memory. Then what is double EEPROM? Yes, it is electrically erasable, programmable, read-only memory. So we have these three types in ROM. Okay. Now, let me just give you the types of RAM. There are two types of RAM, that is DRAM and SDRAM. Yes, this is dynamic and other one is static. Okay, what is the difference? First difference is that it is used in main memory, but SRAM we are using in cache memory. Yes, a DRAM is inexpensive, whereas SRAM is expensive. DRAM use less power and it takes SRAM, it takes more power. DRAM is slower than SRAM, but SRAM that is faster than DRAM. Okay, now next part is your cache memory. Don't say this one as cache memory. Okay, it is a very high speed memory which is used to cope up with the high speed of CPU, my dear. It is generally placed between the CPU. You can see it is generally placed between the CPU and the primary memory and act as a buffer. Okay, it reduces the average access time to data from the main memory and is completely expensive, my dear. Okay, you can see in the diagram how your secondary memory is going to communicate with the CPU. See, directly it cannot be. Okay, anyhow it has to be sent to the primary memory, and primary memory will send it to cache and then CPU. Yes, I'm giving one example by which you can understand it. Suppose you have been given, yes, 4 words. Okay. First one, yes, to decorate your house. Second one, yes, to go for the shopping. Third one, iron your dress. Fourth one, yes, bring, yes, sweets, yes, from the, yes, sweets shop. Okay, you have 4 words, okay, that has been given to you. Okay, and same day you have to complete this task. Will you be able to complete this task? No, you have to take help of someone. Same your cache memory will do, my dear. Yes, whatever, if suppose cache memory already having instruction, then it will directly deal. It will not let this one to go to the CPU, so that the load of the CPU will be less. Okay, so I hope you have understood this cache memory also. So already, students, I have completed my first chapter. Yes, and I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you, my dear.